Okay, I die. Wait a minute. Oh no, I came from up there, okay. Okay. Oh, what am I doing? Okay, okay. I'm being serious right now. Super serious. What am I doing? Okay. Super serious. Like the most serious streamer you've ever seen. Okay, I can't jump on top of those. Oh yeah, they do give you a decent amount of balls. I think if you find all the okay, this is what I was doing before. So I do need that thing. Okay, I'm gonna go back and get it. Nah, fuck that. Give me that. Nah. Fuck all that noise. Nah. We picky. That noise though. Why? Why does that exist? No, come on, stop. No, we're going back. But what's a Templar? Temple. THC Temple. Thank you so much though. I love that you are willing to help. That means I have a soldier in the wings. I have someone that's down for the cause if I need it.
His amoeboid army defeated, Dr. Nefarious had no choice but to flee Blackwater City in disgrace.
You've not seen the last of me. I will have my vengeance if it takes 1,000 years.
Dr. Nefarious was right about one thing. He and Quark would meet again, and sooner than he realized. For a true hero like Captain Quark will stop at nothing in the name of justice.
What? I held my breath.
Nah. Son. You already know. I'm stubborn as fuck. All right, let's do this. Hope you guys are having a good time. We're playing the loveliness that is the Ratchet Clank, the third game. Alright. Well, I don't have a gun yet. Why am I trying to shoot with a gun that I don't have? Hit him with the combos. Oof. Double checking. Wait, no. That's probably the one I missed, to be honest. Not the green one. Well, you know, the green one's just a health upgrade. Word. So that's the one I missed. That one right there. Oopsies. Waiting. Oh! Get down. All right, let's do it. All right. Wait, no, there it is. Oh, I see it. Sneaky as hell. I feel like I missed more now. Did I miss more? Did I miss one? How late? Dude, I have no idea. Dude, I'm stupidly stubborn. Alright, hold on. I feel like I'm missing stuff. I'm going to it too fast. This is not the main game, by the way. If you've never seen this game before, this is like a mini game. I feel like I missed one. Alright, 24, so I have the same amount. Wow, I'm playing really badly. Reap! Second there. Oh yeah, I forgot going up here. Okay. Gonna go back down this way. Yeah, don't want to do that. Alright, there we go. I think we're good now. About to pixel hype this real quick. Like a boss. Oh my god, really? Really? Hey, you don't have to get those twice. Oh god. Screw you guys. I'm a grown man. That's actually a community command. They are in the bottom left. I don't know. I'm still debating if I should keep them on for playthroughs. I'm still on the fence. Still on the fence. Still on the fence, but that was good timing, so I'll let it rock. Oh yeah, that's a thing. Alright. That looks really funny they made him split like that. Alright. It's the worst music ever. Alright, now it's just 5 more. There better be one more. Okay. I was about to be super salty. I was about to be so salty if it was like, you missed one. Alright, cool. That is the worst sound ever. Well, just that some of them are pretty long. I know, some of them are long, and if one goes during while there's a cutscene going on, I like you can't get that cutscene back. That's why. I kind of want to save the CCs for multiplayer when you can kind of predict stuff because it happens so often. And then for other things, it's if you do a command like slow clap slow clap is actually a pretty decently long one. If you do a slow clap and then there's a cutscene, then you kind of override the cutscene. If you know what I mean, that's why.
I suggest you get your butt back in uniform before I write you up for a dress code violation.
And they have not done anything, alright? Your guy looks like a G at the end of this game. Like here. See, he just seems random and out of place. You know? You know what I'm saying? Especially because I put these on YouTube. No one's gonna know what the fuck's going on. You know what I mean? I'll probably disable it. I'm sorry, I probably should disable it. Because it doesn't make any sense. Because you can't time it up. You can't time it up properly. And most of the time it's just gonna end up being really awkward sounding. Most of the time. What's up, Axel Defro? What's up? Only for playthroughs. Multiplayer games, I feel like it's easy because you're in a rhythm.
Incoming call.
Alright, there we go.
Clank, Bubby, you're killing me!
Excuse me?
I'm trying to make a picture here, and Mr. Big Shot Star is nowhere to be found.
I am currently occupied with a mission of galactic security.
Right, I get it. You want a bigger trailer? Done. You want a daily oil massage? Done. I need my star on the set pronto, capiche?
You're breaking up.
You know, I can see you, weasel boy.
Oh yeah? How about now?
Swag.
He'll figure something out. We've got work to do.
Yeah. And of course it's because that's a delay. Wish I could just disable it without having to exit out the thing. Kind of annoying. Because I don't want to turn each individual thing off. Yeah, see, like you're trying to do rollout, like it's mad random. I think it just takes away from the playthrough. Party game, what's going on? Ooh, I got the ooh. Oh, I love sniper rifles in this game. How much do I need? No. I'm gonna get the Agents of Doom first. But I don't wanna rob the playthrough, the immersion. Okay, I can't go through that yet. The immersion. Alright, let's do this. Don't spoil anything! Come on now. Here we go.
Skid, what are you doing here?
My code name is Shadow Dude.
Character model name what?
Black Ops are my speciality. I figured you guys could use my help.
Thanks, Shadow Dude, but I think we've got this one covered.
All right, I'll just take my hacker and go back to the ship.
Hacker? Oh, well, you know, on second thought, I think we'd like you to join the mission, Shadow Dude.
Awesome! This is gonna be sick!
Alright, let's... Come on, Wibby. I think I just have to wait until he hacks certain things. This is too annoying. At least you get money for each thing that they pop out of. Is he a dinosaur? What, this guy? I guess you can say that or a lizard.
Awesome!
There you did.
The jackpot crate multiplies all bolts and experience gained for a limited time.
I should have hit that first. Must kill things. Kill things. The hell is he doing? I'm gonna kill you in the face. Dear God, dude. Firewave OP. Yeah, right. Chaotic Vortex, what's going on? Long time no see. There we go. The Invector sucks. I think it gets much better later on, but it just right now. Ugh. Wait, why don't you hack this? Oopsies. Help me out! Wow, he killed his friend in like 2 seconds. Oh yeah, shot.
You haven't forgotten how to swim, have you? Press square to dive and X to rise. Press harder to dive or rise faster. Your helmet will provide oxygen. At least, in theory.
In theory, hype. There we go. See, now other than the past games, you had to earn this. Do I really have to actually go and swim by it? Dear God. Make me do all the work. Movie come out? I don't know. I've heard about it. Believe it when I see it. Alright, here we go. No, Deadlock is the one with the, well, mostly arena. They all have arenas, kind of.
Show a huge biomass moving towards you down the drain pipe.
Let's work on them. Doesn't even work on them. I know I can suck up these little guys though. Suck cannon getting better. Super suck power. So now you can suck up bigger things. Oh. I got a sewer crystal. Uh-oh. You guys know what that means. Uh-oh, I think it's one of those quest things. Oh, don't do it to me. You know I'm like addicted. I'm like super addicted to doing those things.
I got your back, dude.
Yeah, you got my back, bro. Thanks. Did you get a new face cam? No. This one is the lighting is in way better position. There you go. Sweet. Plasma Web is about to go level 3. Let's get it to level 3. Exactly. But hope you guys are having a good time. You guys are chilling, maxing, relaxing. What up? Look a little closer. All right, let's do this. Yep. I keep forgetting about that. I'm a big dum-dum. Come on, Whippy. Come on, Whippy. Whippy, please. Damn you, Whippy. Say your friends better. There you go. Good betrayer. Shoot your friends, yes. Good job. Good job. Oh, come on. Don't be missing. Come on now. Call of Duty. Here we go. Call of Duty. Oh, look at that shot. Oh, he's back. He's back. Alright, don't have anything. Let's do this. Shots up. Fire. Alright, we're good. What does the infector do? The infector basically, it's not poison. It actually infects them and it makes them fight from my side for a little bit. It also does do a poison effect on them as well. So it works twofold. Twofold. And then when that unit dies, it infects others around it. But it's kind of lackluster at the moment. Jack Jabs, where do you get it? Get what? What game is this? Oh, you just buy it. Ratchet Clank Collections. Oh, look at that. All hidden. Okay, so that's holding on me. Just checking. Experimentation. Okay, they have a really big range. Actually, have a pretty big range. Alright, Whippy's back. Whippy is back. Rico, what's going on? Not a Throwback Saturday. I just wanted to play this. I played the first two already. They're on YouTube. Ooh, another sewer crystal. Coach decided did Coach sorry, not Coach. Did Couch Team Gaming host me and I missed it? If he did, I really apologize. I didn't see it. Was this on the PS3? Did he host me and I didn't see it? I really apologize for that. It didn't show up on my chat. I really do apologize for that. It didn't show up on my chat. Oh no, I'm supposed to be using the whip. Okay, I guess not. I'm not gonna use the whip. Really died before I can use the whip. But can we get a nice little link to the Couch Team Gaming? He's currently a Super Saiyan Destiny streamer. And he's another member of We Are Legends Streams, and you guys should definitely give him a follow. If you're from my chat, you should definitely give him a follow.